Man, if you've been sitting in the US watching the economy collapse, the housing market skyrocket, your freedoms shrink, and your bills go through the roof, you're not alone. Every day, more people are Googling, how do I leave the US? And landing on TikTok hashtags like hashtag move abroad, hashtag leave the USA, hashtag expat life, hashtag digital nomad life. But here's the thing, most people get stuck in the how. That how will keep you tied up for a long time if you don't move past it. They think they need to be rich to leave. They think they need a perfect plan before they can even buy a one-way ticket. And that's a lie that the system wants you to believe. In today's video, I'm going to break down how you can leave the US, even if you're broke, even if you don't have it all figured out, and start creating income streams overseas right now. This isn't about waiting for the perfect moment. If you wait for perfect conditions, you'll die waiting. The creator rebellion philosophy is this, it's simple: do it before you're ready. Do what you need to do to leave and figure it out when you arrive. Why? Because your mind will lead you down a path of resistance. Because leaving your comfort zone feels so huge. But once you're outside the US, you realize something even bigger. Your credit score doesn't follow you. Most of the financial chains that you've been bound to all your life don't exist. And suddenly, survival turns into opportunity, the opportunity to thrive. And it's not about escaping, it's about reclaiming your sovereignty and stepping into a world that actually gives you room to breathe. Okay, so let's talk money because that's the fear point holding most people hostage. Option one, teach English. It's still one of the fastest ways to make income abroad. You don't always need a degree, and in some places, just being a native English speaker is enough. You can even ask the local schools if you can teach English, and a lot of them will be happy to have you. Option two, assess and provide services for locals and expats. Every country has pain points, so ask yourself, what are people complaining about? What services are missing? Can I fill the gap with my skills and talents? For example, in Mexico, expats pay for relocation help, translation, or even just someone to help them navigate the bureaucracy. In Southeast Asia, there's demand for Western wellness services, digital skills, and even tutoring kids online. Option three, create your online income. This is where the future is wide open. And with AI, you can, because you can build apps to solve local problems, start a service business online, like copywriting, coaching, or freelancing. And you can sell digital products or even run a global e commerce hustle from your laptop. And here's the kicker, your cost of living abroad is often half or less of what it is in the States, meaning you don't need $5,000 a month to survive. Sometimes it's just 1,200 to 1,500, and that's enough to live comfortably in places like Latin America or even parts of Asia. So don't just take my word for it. Go back and look at what's trending right now on social media. Hashtag move to Canada. Hashtag leave the USA. Hashtag move abroad. Hashtag expat life. Hashtag digital nomad life. Hashtag work from anywhere. Hashtag side hustle 2025. and hashtag passive income ideas. These are the digital campfires where people are already asking, how do I do this? The demand is already here. People want out. They just don't know it's possible for them without millions in the bank. That's where you come in as a creator rebellion leader, showing that there is another path. So, look, if you're in an emergency, stop overthinking. Get your passport, get your ticket, land somewhere affordable where you can stay for 90 to 180 days with no problem. Then teach English for fast cash. Offer services to locals and expats. Start stacking your online income streams with AI tools, freelancing, or digital products. There's so much free education out there, it's not even funny. So don't overcomplicate it because movement creates clarity. The rest you can figure out once you've got your feet on the ground and you're safe. This is exactly why I built the Creator Rebellion, because I know so many of you are stuck in fear, stuck in waiting, stuck in this collapsing system that was never designed for you to win. The Creator Rebellion is about breaking out of that, creating sovereign income in a failing system, building life on your terms, and saying yes to freedom. So if you're ready to take the leap, tap into the frequency and join the movement. The links are below. And if this video woke something up in you, hit subscribe, drop a comment with where you want to move, and share this with someone who's stuck in someday, because freedom isn't someday, it's now. So tap in, let's go.